Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious, smoky Reuben sandwich. So St. Patrick's Day is coming up. There's plenty of corned beef at all the grocery stores. So we grabbed the Certified Angus beef brand corned beef, and we are going to soak it overnight. Every couple hours we'll dump the water out. That'll help dilute the salt from the brine when they're making the corned beef. To season it outside of the pastrami, you're going to use the Killer Hogs brisket rub. We're going to be using rye bread, sauerkraut. We're going to use some of this Hot Crispy Oil AIOLI. It's really good stuff. You got to find this. I'll put a link in the description. I want to drink it right out of the bottle. It's so good. Then we'll melt some Swiss over the top. Don't forget, we're giving away medium Vortex. Hashtag Vortex in the comments. That's all you have to do to enter to win. You got to be a US resident. All the rules are in the description. So here we have it after soaking in the brine. So you just want to basically pat this dry best you can. We're going to use Killer Hogs brisket rub. Get that to How to Barbecue Right shop. I have an affiliate link in the description. It's a really nice coarse salt, pepper, garlic, onion. You want to watch whatever rub you use for salt content. You can smell that nice pepper. Show you do the sides. Now you can see the grain on this is going this way, so we're going to slice it this way. I'm going to monitor the temps with the ThermoPro TempSpkie PLUS. I'll take it and I'll put it in with the grain. Then I know when I'm done cooking this, I slice it this way. I know that this is going with the grain. Just makes it easier for later on. Now we can throw this out in the Weber. So today we're going to be using the snake method. So just pour a bunch of briquettes out and start stacking them like this. Any broke ones I set aside, and we'll use those to start the fire. So we're going two by two, side by side. Now we'll add one more on the top. The top ones I just lay here. I'm using Jealous Devil charcoal. It's really a lot larger than the Kingsford. I'll take our tumbleweed, put it right there. Then I use the broken pieces, stack it around it, help get the fire lit. For wood, we're going to be using hickory. So I just take the hickory pieces and I just kind of stack them like this. And that should be all you need. So now we'll set the Vortex right here. We'll put our meat here, and that'll help deflect the heat away for our low and slow. I'll take an 8 3/4 inch pie pan, throw that in the middle, push down. That'll catch our drippings, and it also helps direct the air to the charcoal that's lit. We'll let that burn for probably 30 minutes before we get out here with the meat. So we're going to set this right over the Vortex with the pan. We're going to try to keep this around 275 degrees. If it gets up to like 300, it's fine. All right, we'll monitor the temps with the TempSpkie PLUS and check on it in a little bit. It's been 2.5 hours. Time to check on it. Make sure it's not getting too dry. It's 135 internal. And we'll let this keep going. Still squishy, not too dry. Well, we hit the stall, so now we're going to pull it off and do a foil boat to help speed along the cooking process. I mean, it looks pretty good. Nice bark formed on there. All right, and we got that wrapped nicely. We will put it on here until... Really, guys? Really, chickens? All right, we'll put this on here for probably another hour, 2 hours. This is looking pretty good. 95, it's time to pull this. Yeah, 195. We'll bring this in and let it rest for about 10-15 minutes, and then we will slice into it and make a sandwich. Remember, I put the temp spike in with the grain, so we'll cut across what we had. Look at that. That looks awesome. We're using this Hot Crispy Oil AIOLI. It's really good. I'll spread that on the bread. Slightly toasted the bread. Then we'll lay some of our pastrami on here. Then we need our sauerkraut. We'll put on our Swiss. I'll put the top on. We can try it. Let's slice this sandwich in half. Look at that. That looks excellent. It's messy, but man, it is good. Holy crap. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. I got affiliate links in there. I got rubs, spices, I got the Vortex, gloves with the liners, all sorts of stuff, recipes. Alright, see ya. It's dinner time.